Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the git restore command introduced in version 2.23.0. First, I will show you when you want to use this command and then show some examples in the command line. Okay, suppose you have a commit and then you make some edits. So you have some scratch content. At this point, you can use git add to stage them. Now, if you want to unstage this content, you can use git restore --staged. Okay, this is the first usage to unstage the staged content. Okay, now let's say you have the staged content and you made further edits. Now you have scratch content on top of the staged. At this point, if you want to get rid of the scratched content, you can use git restore. Okay, that's basically the two applications. You either unstage or you go back to the stage. Notice these two are not very similar, because in this case, in the unstage case, the content of the file doesn't change, but in this case, you get rid of the changes. Okay, let's go to the command line to see examples. Okay, let's make it bigger first. Okay, let's make a folder. And let's make it a git command, git folder, and touch some file. Let's say this is my first commit. Okay, now let's make some edits. Or not read. Some edits. Okay, now with the edits, you see I have some scratched content. Now let's edit. Now we staged it. So typically you want to do stage because you're already happy with the current file changes, and you want to use that as a new baseline. At that point, you could just make a commit, but maybe it's not logically a whole story yet, so you just want to introduce a new baseline. Okay, now if you want to unstage, you can do git restore --staged, and you need to specify the file name. Now, as you can see, the only difference is we unstaged the result. Okay. As I said, this is introduced in fairly new, the git restore command. So you can see I actually have a git unstage alias. So in the old days, if you want to do it, you would just do it this way. But now it just become easier to use git restore. Okay, now let's say we make some extra content. Edits on the staged. Okay, now you can see we have some scratch again. Okay, now if we want to get rid of that, we do git restore. You can see now we don't have the edit, and if we display this content, we have lost the extra edits. Okay, that's all I want to show you today. Hope this is something useful. Thanks for watching.